Hello dear, welcome back to our YouTube channel Vishyam with Ishu Rajgupta. Okay, today I am going to start some important algebraic entities. Listen, it is very important formula of algebra. So let us start without delay. First formula say कि a plus b का whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab or as you wish. This one is also written as a square plus 2ab plus b square because it is term of addition. In case of addition, you replace its place, so its value is remains same. There is no change. Clear? Now, how to come this formula? So see here, you take LHS. Your LHS is a plus b का whole square. Whole square means a square means you know a into a. So similarly, this one a plus b का whole square is written as a plus b and a plus b. According to product of algebra, first of all we take this a and this a multiplied with a plus b and this b plus b, we have plus b. So we take number also with sign. Its sign is plus, so we take plus b. And this one is multiplied with a plus b. Like this one, like this type. First of all, you take a and this a multiplied with whole term of next algebraic expression a plus b. And then after you take plus b, this one is also multiplied with a plus b. Okay. Now how to multiply this one? This a multiplied with a, when we remove this bracket, then this a multiplied with this a, it becomes a square and it becomes ab. Now this one is ba and plus plus, so we write plus and b multiplied with b, then it becomes b square. ab and ab, it is same terms, it is same. 2 3 are 6 and 3 2 are 6. So addition of these two plus ab and plus ab, it's a 2ab and we have a square plus 2ab and plus b square. This is your RHS. Okay. Now next formula, next one say कि a minus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square equal to a square plus b square, same as last one, but 2ab case we have minus. Okay. When we arrange like this type, then your a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us see how. Again we take LHS of this algebraic expression and it is then a minus b का whole square. Whole square means we have to write two times a minus b, again a minus b. So first of all we take this one a and this a multiplied with whole terms of a minus b next, and then after we have 1 minus b, this minus b multiplied with a minus b. So now start. See here, this one is a multiplied with a minus b and after that we have minus b, so you take minus b multiplied with a minus b. How to multiply? See here, we have plus sign of this a, so this plus multiplied with this plus, so sign is plus, do not write plus sign, and a multiplied with a, it becomes a square. Now see here, this one is plus, it is a term of plus and it is a minus, so plus multiplied with minus, then it is minus, a multiplied with b, it becomes ab. Now remove this bracket, then minus b multiplied with plus a, so minus plus minus first of all, and this is ba, and this minus b multiplied with minus b, so first of all sign minus minus plus and b multiplied with b, it becomes b square. These two are like term ab, ab, minus 1ab minus 1b, ab, it becomes minus 2ab. Now here is a square and here is plus b square. This is your RHS. See here, this is your RHS. Okay. Now next one, formula number third. Formula number third say कि a square minus b square and your result is a minus b or a plus b. You write as a plus b and a minus b also, because in term of multiplication you replace the position. As you know that 2 into 3 it is 6 and 3 into 2 it is 6. So there is no problem, both values are equal. So a minus b multiplied with a plus b is also true, and a plus b multiplied with a minus b is also true. How? So in this case you have to take RHS part. RHS is a minus b and this one is a plus b. You know, first of all we take this a and multiply with this a plus b. After that we have minus b, so you have to write minus b, and this minus b multiply with a plus b. Okay. Now when we remove this bracket, it means this a multiply with both terms. First of all, plus plus multiply with plus, then a into a becomes a squared, and this is plus plus, then plus a multiplied with b, it is ab, minus minus plus minus b into a, it becomes ba. Then after minus plus, then minus b into b is ba squared. Alright, both are same terms ab and ba, like this term 2 into 3, 3 into 2. So both are equal. So ab is equal to ba, but it having different sign. Gain of this one, loss of this one, get cancelled. It's a cancel out. Okay. Now we have a square minus b square. It is your LHS because we take RHS and result is LHS. So this algebraic activity is proved. Now next one. Now 4 number. 4 number is a square plus b square. What is the result of a square plus b square? So it's equal to a plus b का whole square minus 2ab, or a square plus b square. When you take a minus b का whole square, then you have to write plus 2ab. Okay. Now prove this one. You take RHS of first one. First one RHS is a plus b का whole square minus 2ab. So from formula number 1, a plus b का whole square, and you know result is a square b square plus 2ab, and here minus 2ab. So these two are like terms, 2ab minus 2ab, and it having equal values or different sign, it is cancelled out. Then result is a square plus b square is your LHS. So it is proved. And in second case you have a minus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square plus 2ab. Now use formula number second. A minus b का whole square represent a square b square minus 2ab, and we have plus 2ab, so write 2ab plus. See here, these two are equal and it having different sign. The equal quantities, different sign, get cancelled out. Then we have a square plus b square. This is your LHS if it is RHS. Okay. So this formula is also verified. Okay. Now come to next formula. Now formula number 5, same as formula number 1. See here, a plus b का whole square is also written as a minus b का whole square and plus 4ab. And 6 number say कि a minus b का whole square, then you write a plus b का whole square minus 4ab. How? To check 5, take RHS. RHS is a minus b का whole square and 4ab. So using formula of a minus b का whole square, it becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab, and it is plus 4ab. Now see here, these two are like up and having different sign. The different sign action is subtraction. So a square plus b square, and result is plus 2ab. Why plus 2ab? Because it is greater. So we use sign of greater part. Now see here, a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is formula of a plus b का whole square. Alright, it is your LHS. This formula number 5 is verified. Now start 6th number. Your 6th number you take RHS, and your RHS in 6th number is a plus b का whole square minus 4ab. Now putting the formula of a plus b का whole square, as you know that कि a plus b का whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we have minus 4ab. Though these two are like terms and it having different sign, so action is subtraction and result is minus 2ab. Why minus 2ab? Because it is greater, so we use sign of this one minus, and we have a square plus b square, and as you know that it is a result of a minus b का whole square from formula number 2. So it is written as a minus b का whole square. It is your LHS. We have more formulas also, so we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye dear.